So, taking both elbows into your hands, find a nice elbow distance apart. Interlace the fingers and bring the crown of the head to the mat. Tippy-toeing in, bringing your weight all the way forward. Seeing if you can find a little lift here, finding the tuck. Don't worry if you have a wobble. And you can stay here with the tuck if you're a beginner. Maybe if you feel a little bit more confident, straighten up the legs. Try to, if you can, find a nice straight line, a little better than what I found. And then from there, bending the knees, come back to a tuck and very lightly come back down. If you find that one hard, you can try one leg at a time, walking the toes in again, lifting one leg up, finding this seesaw counterbalance. You might find it easier to get the legs up this way. Again, coming down nice and gently. Take a child's pose.